Nikumerire ngayukano mucemanio-ini uria gwikinyitio ni marigitari 600 kuma miena ngurani ya bururi, amwe makinyita mbaru riciria ria kugoma kiumia giukite, makiuga no njira iria mangihuthira thirikari ithikiririe makaya mao, mwago ungi ukionekana gukararia riciria riri. Mwago wa madagitari aria megwikinyitie morite atongoria kiama giki matige wira, kuona matikoretwo makimarugamirira na njira iria yagiriire, makiuga mugomo uria wabangitwo na hau kabere wathatire ni undu wa atongoria ya gutongorio ni nda ciao, na matiaheanire itumi nginyaniru cia guthararia mugomo uyu thutha wa gucemania na thirikari. Maugite ni meguthii na mbere na gubanga mugomo wao kuona thirikari nditiite wiguano uria mekiraniire, na makauga matigwitikira miario ingi na thirikari matahingiirio ciiraniro ciao.
The lies, the PR, you don't have to hate Kenyans this much to lie to them on every single issue. An issue about a strike and something so painful. And you can see how my members are struggling with it in that hall. We don't go for strike for fun. Yet the only thing somebody can call you guys in the morning to tell you are lies.
How do we audit the strike that went? Because we were out of goodwill and took the promises from the government. That has caused a lot of action, a lot of concern from the doctors because they want results. And that can be understood in every facet. If your leaders go into negotiations, if people get out of work, they expect results. When that result is given in paper and not implemented, we expect frustrations.
Murugamo uyu ukite riri ministry ya ugima wa mwiri yaniriire kurekereria mbeca cia arutwo arigitani, na kuga ni ihariirie kunina na mateta mangi maria makoretwo na atungati a arwaru.
All posted interns in their specified cadres receive their dues without delay, demonstrating the ministry's dedication to addressing the welfare of healthcare workers. The internship programs are a critical component of Kenya's healthcare system, providing hands-on experience to bridge the gap between theory and practice.
Ministry ino yaniriire kurekereria ciringi milioni 900 na mbeca iguru niguo kuriha mishara yao yothe iria matamukirite.
Sasa pia tunaita interns na watu wote ambao wanahudumia wagonjwa tukuje pamoja, tuongee, tujadiliane, tuone vile tunaweza songa mbele kuhakikisha Wakenya wanahudumiwa kwa bei nafuu.
Hari mbeca ici milioni 500 na mbeca iguru ni cia kuriha mathiri ma mishara, ingi na rimwe ari cia kuriha mishara arigitani na atungati a arwaru, ingi 300 iri cia kuriha mathiri ma arutwo aria marikite mathomo ma udagitari, amagego na aria maheanaga dawa. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Nduta wa Buthia.